Good evening, Dark Horse Nation. It is Sunday, August the 2nd, and we are having a nice late summer evening rain. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope each and every one of y'all had a very blessed, safe weekend. So I managed to get a few things done. Trying to keep the umbrella above my head because it is rainy out here, guys. But overall, it was a great weekend. Can't complain. And like I say, I hope all of y'all had a wonderful weekend. So, no particular topic. Just want to wish y'all a great start to the new week. And who knows what in the hell will transpire by tomorrow morning. You just don't know with everything that's going on. You just don't know. You gotta love an evening rain. The sun is trying to shine somewhat. Here's the new attachment to the hut. Miss Jan brought me this from the Isle of Palms. So this is a neat addition to the It's 5 o'clock somewhere hut, you know. But guys, here it is, August. The year is going to wind down. And the year will be over before we know it. I love being out in the rain, guys. Makes for a magical time. You gotta love the color of Japanese maples this time of year. It's just so pretty out when it rains. I've got to trim up some of the shrubs here. They're getting seriously out of hand. But it's always so pretty here, guys. Here at the studio. When it rains, snows, whatever may transpire here, guys, it's always beautiful. Yeah. And I'll try to share this with everyone across the entire planet. But yet, because of my personal beliefs about politics and things in general, YouTube finds a reason to throttle my videos. They restrict my views. They actually unsubscribe followers, and that's what they do. And so it's hard sometimes as a senior citizen to be part of this social media cluster, as I would call it, because they only cater to certain groups of individuals, guys. And that's the cold reality. So for all you seniors my age, and you want to try to get into social media, do what you need to do. Try it. Don't be discouraged. But because you are not young, you're not pretty or handsome, social media will not put a big effort into pushing the videos you make. And that's just the way that goes. But go to China or Vietnam, put some big busted individual in a bikini, throw them out in the middle of a damn crocodile-infested river, trying to make a mud hut or some shit like that, and guess what? Oh, they'll push that shit because they know that the sick bastards across the world that wants to see that kind of crap will provide tons of advertisement and revenue for them. And that's what they push. And I'm just going to say it. They're not going to like it, but I will say it. I'm sure the sunflowers are loving the rain. Guys, that one there is at least, has to be 10 feet high, at least 11. The sunflowers have been the highlight this season. But they're starting to wind down, guys. And this little plant right here, this little Tommy Toe, man, this thing has made a crap ton of little tomatoes and still going strong. It's unbelievable. And I've got one tomato left. I don't know if it will get ripe or not. We will see. But this right here, guys, this is what's real. It's none of that made up bullshit that's being forced down your throats from the AI conglomerates, from the people who have nothing real to do, who edit every single frame. Guys, that's not reality. You as a society have to make up your minds what in the hell is important to you. That's something you have to do. There you go. The changes are not made soon. Let me go through this jungle of sunflowers. The changes are not made soon. The downfall of the United States will be very, very soon. And I hate to say it, but it will be the truth. America is not what America used to be. America does not have the mental attitude it used to have. And that's sad. Very sad. We had good intentions from the start, but after 250 years, it has really, really turned into something that would truly be a disappointment to our founding fathers. So only you all can make a change. Stand up for what's right. Get away from the AI corruption that's taking place. Get back to old-fashioned hard work. No nonsense business, guys. Be willing to sacrifice for your family, your friends, your loved ones, for the country. That's what America used to be about. It's not that anymore. It's changed. It has changed. So I just want to share some thoughts this Sunday evening as y'all go into your new work week. Teddy says hello. He's freaking out because of the umbrella. What is it, Teddy? What is it? What is it? Get it. Get it. Yeah, he's scared of the umbrella. But the future can be bright if we start putting the right pieces together, y'all. This crap in the Middle East has got to stop. Corporate America has got to decide that it is tired of screwing the average American over. And that's what's been happening. They're trying to bleed you dry because they know they can. Americans are willing to not sacrifice and just go ahead and buy all this $10 a pound beef and put up with all the nonsense. They realize that. That's why in the hell they screw you over. You know what I'm saying? Wake up. It's time to change. It's time to do something different. But yeah, I just want to share some thoughts for this Sunday evening, guys. We got a brand new week starting tomorrow. This rain is going to be a colossal disaster for the pool, so we'll be starting that over tomorrow. But I hope y'all have a great start to your day. Be safe. Be blessed. And remember, guys, your lives are what you make it. They are what you make it. And so with that being said, guys, I'm going to go in here and freak Teddy out. Back up. He says, "Hello world." He says, "How are y'all?" He says, "How are y'all?" Sit. He's a jumper. He is a jumper. Hey, settle down. Tell everybody hi. Tell everybody hi. Alright, guys. So with that, I'm going to give y'all a, as you can see, my favorite little buddy here. That's for the solicitors, right? But anyway, guys, y'all take care. I'm going to give y'all a toast for this evening. Ah, damn. What did we say, Dark Horse Nation? Damn, that's good. Alright, guys, y'all take care. Please like, subscribe, share. Guys, it's freaking free. It doesn't cost you nothing. This gets some damn honest opinions out, some honest truth out, and let's stop letting the system screw us over. It's time we made a change. Alright, Teddy, what do you say? Say bye-bye. Tell him bye-bye. Alright, he says bye. Good night, y'all. Be safe. Hey, boy. Yep. There he goes. You want to get started. Yep. Highlight. Wide open. Hey, sit. Sit.